The environment that has been created here at Owl Chiropractic is one of healing. We know that we wanted a lot more than white walls, white coats. We wanted our patients to feel like they were a part of something and that they can refer their friends here.
Well, I think that's kind of the most important thing, is that you're not treated like a number.
I love so much how technical they are and how scientifically driven they are that it wouldn't matter to me. I would still come if they all weren't kind and warm and welcoming, probably, just because I know that they know their stuff.
The technology is awesome. For me as a chiropractor, it really takes away all of the guesswork.
This is the first chiropractor practice that I've gone to. It has used thermal imaging before and after adjustments, so there's a feedback loop there.
How we utilize that technology, how we identify exactly which bone we should be adjusting to help unlock the nervous system and allow the body to start healing itself better is really what sets us apart.
What we are most proud of is when a patient refers another patient to us. When a mom hands us their baby that's only a few days old and says, "Can you help me?" And I know that we can.
I used to have hip pain, I used to have back pain, I'd have pain in the middle of my back.
I've found a lot of relief in my allergies and in my sinuses as well, and overall better quality of life and health.
I don't get sick, and I did before. One time, and this is gonna sound crazy, they adjusted my sinuses and it was like a miracle happened here in the office, like just everything drained out, and I mean, just astounding.
It is true what they tell you, that if you love what you do, then you'll never work a day in your life. And that is exactly how I feel. To see the miracles that happen in this practice on a daily basis never gets old.
Having Kylie be able to start sleeping through the night after she started getting adjusted has been huge, as it improved her energy levels, my energy levels as well.
To see these people come in, to wake them up, to educate them about what's truly going on with them, and then see their story develop as we start to care for them. To see people come in with walkers and assistance of their loved ones, to being able to walk out without that walker and even drive their own cars self-mobile again.
Little kids that don't have seizures anymore, to people that are able to do their jobs because they're not in chronic pain, is what keeps me coming to work every day.
People want to know why something is happening to them. It's not just, oh, this is happening, do this and you'll feel better. What was the cause of it? To have somebody that knows how to investigate that, that's power for them.
The power that made the body heals the body, and when that is expressed, the possibilities are endless.